San Diego Cell Phone Repair has been in this exact location directly next door to Hooters restaurant for over 8 years now. We have over 300 online reviews and over 5,000 followers on our social pages. We repair iPhones, iPads, and Samsung cell phones. iPhone screen repair generally takes about 30 minutes, and Samsung's take about 1 hour. We also give big discounts on the Samsung S and Note series that do not have display damage. We also do iPhone back glass repair. If your iPhone is cracked on the back side of your phone and you need to trade it in to get the $800 credit, we can repair that as well. Message us or visit our website at sandiegocellphonerepair.com. We look forward to serving you here at San Diego Cell Phone Repair in Mission Valley.